Rohit, tell us a story 30 low.
There is a crow. He is in the jungle. He always fly here and there in the sky. One day he was very thirsty. One day he was very thirsty. He is sitting on a tree. He is sitting on a tree. Uh, for that he fly one palace to another palace, but he cannot get water because these are summer day. All lakes and rivers are dried up. He was very worried about the water. Uh, uh, he was very worried about the water. He thinks that his death is very near. Uh, his mouth is dry and his throat is burning without water. He is crying for the water. After some time, one idea comes in his mind. He follows that idea. He thinks that there is much better to try than sitting idle. He decide to fly in only one direction for searching water. He flies in one direction for 2 hours continuously. He now see some small garden below. He has some hope now. He comes down and wonder there. He finds a small jug of water there. Uh, he peeps into the jug. He now sees that there is some water in the jug. He tries to drink it, but he cannot. Now again the crow is in worried, but he does not get disappointed. Uh, he he thinks about the solution. After some time, one idea flashes in his mind. He tries to find something. He sees now he sees some small stones nearby. He picks up them and one by one he he drop it into the jug. Suddenly the water comes to up. Uh, in some time the water level comes up, and the now the crow drink water very easily. He drinks water. He satisfies his thirst, and he flies on his way.
Right. What is the moral of the story?
If there is a will, there is a way.